rings, where the fighters collide with the heart of a lion. He stepped inside. JAI OPETAIA, with fire in his eyes, dancing on air, reaching for the skies. Raise your hands high, let the world see a champion spirit, wild and free. With every punch thrown, every round fought, Jay's victory shines. It's what we all saw. Against all odds, he stood tall and strong. With courage and skill, he proved them all wrong. Cinkara came hard, but JAI wouldn't fall. In the heat of the battle, he answered the call. Raise your hands high, let the world see a champion spirit, wild and free. With every punch thrown, every round fought, Jay's victory shines. It's what we all saw. Through the sweat and the tears, the journey was long, but now he stands proud where the brave belong. With a heart full of dreams and a legacy bright, JAI OPETAIA, you're a champion tonight. See a champion spirit, wild and free. With every punch thrown, every round fought, Jay's victory shines. It's what we all saw. So here's to the fighter, the one we admire.